going to further explain how we got this free shed off Facebook Marketplace. It's a 12 by 20. They wanted it to be torn down for basically scrap metal, and I told them I would take it and turn it into a barn. So what we did is I used wood that we've rescued. These are pallets. I took apart and made it like a backboard so they can lean on it. Some plywood that this builder guy was gonna throw away. And we have a hog panel currently in the middle to keep the pigs over there and the cows over here. And so we still have a little bit more work to do. I have to put some more wood on the top part, but pigs can't reach that far, so I'm not worried about that instantly. And this is where they sleep. It has tons of hay. It keeps them warm. I mean straw. And I got extra bales of straw over here and on that side of the pallet. And so we've kind of made little sections. And so cows also have straw and they poop in here. You can see. I'm gonna scoop that up in a second. And I put it in this beautiful pile I've been creating of straw and cow poop. And it's super warm down in the bottom. It's steamy and hot. It's gonna be amazing compost once it breaks down. And yeah, so that window right there, there was another window on that side, but we had to cut the metal to make a walkway. So we're gonna frame that door soon. And it's an amazing barn. It's insulated, it's got wood, it's got floors, it's got straw. You know, the cows eat their food in here. And I'll have to fill it up some more hay. Really happy about this because it really costed us no money at all. You know, I had a friend that donated some hog panels to us. Basically had to buy nails and screws to hammer stuff together. But the pallets were free, the plywood was free, this whole barn was free, the insulation was free. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing that I love reusing other people's things they don't want, don't need, or about to throw away. And they have all this pasture out front, over there, and down here. And soon those hog panels right there will be going away and the pigs will go back there. And we'll have parts of the pasture where they're utilizing and then it's resting, and we'll throw some rye seed, grass seed for the cows, and it's gonna be a beautiful regenerative farm. Well, it already is, but we are reusing, reducing, recycling, and regenerating. That's our motto. Thanks for joining.